I'm Karan Nesser from KT Tech. Okay, you know what I know what you are waiting for. Day by day, technology is something improving very fastly. As a result of that, in 2016, VR was invented with a 360 camera. Actually, 360 camera means you can record something around you in 360 degrees, and I'm going to talk about it in this video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about VR and what is VR. VR is something around us but it's not truly there, and there are many types of VR. Like this is a VR box, and there are some VRs like Oculus and Sony PlayStation VR. Actually, it has a display and a circuit. It is something made for gaming, and it's a very awesome thing. But it's not a thing like that. Actually, this is a box. We can put a phone inside it and watch VR videos, okay, whatever. And I know what you are waiting for. Okay, we'll open this up. And okay, I have some things like that. And okay, we will start from this. You can see this is actually not belong to this thing. Actually, it's LED camera. LED. And we have plugged this USB, and you can see here's the LED, and it's not belong to this. Okay, we this, and I'm going to take this and this Bluetooth remote controller for VR, especially made for VR. Again, controller. We take this up. Here you can see. We'll keep this here. And inside this, there is something like this. And you can see for this, how to connect, and there is everything. You can see. Okay, we'll take this thing, and here you can see we can batteries to here. Two batteries, 1.5 volt batteries. And then just a power switch, you have to hold it. And okay, we keep this there. I'm going to do a tutorial video on how to connect this remote and everything. Okay, we have a our VR box. Here you can see it's awesome thing. You can see this is very awesome. Elastic, it's got fit to your head like this, and you can see the smooth surface, very comfortable to your face, and this is very comfortable to your nose. There are some like this, and here is some features in Airbox 2.0. You can adjust this lens, you can see two sides. It's very good for this side, and here and also here you can see there is a tray like thing. You can pull it out, and there is you can put the phone in here, and I have a phone in big size, and I'm going to put this here, like this and like that. Here you can see it was fit awesomely, and just put it inside here, and you can pull the charger from here, you can see, and a headset if you want. And there is something side that I have put the other side of the phone, sorry. Give me a minute. And we'll tape this out like this, you can see very carefully. And put it again like this, and I'm going to put it again. Okay. I'm going to put like this. And here you can see in this side also there is a charging point. And okay, we'll open this. There is a camera. It is for something like there is some real features like it is working with your environment. Like if you put this like here, you can turn and the objects around us making something. So, you can understand anything. That's the this is cam for that thing. And okay, and I have and also guys, I have a small phone. You can see I can put it also in like this here. You can see I put this also, it also put into this. And okay, whatever, just a minute. Okay, but this VR box is something, you know, this is very beautiful, and I think you enjoyed my video. You also should buy something like this. This is very awesome. And okay then, we'll see you in the next video. Please subscribe me, press the red button down there.